In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Google AdSense. We're going to walk through the exact process so your AdSense earnings can be paid straight to your bank. First, open your web browser and go to your Google AdSense account. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account that's linked to your AdSense. It's a small detail, but using the wrong account is a common mistake that can make the right menu options seem to disappear. Once you're in, look for Manage Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find this under the Payments or Settings area in the left-hand menu. Click Manage Settings to open the payment-related options for your account. This is where you control how and where your earnings are sent. Next, choose Manage Payment Methods. On many accounts, you'll see a clear option to Add Payment Method. If you see it, go ahead and click it. If the button doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Interfaces can vary by region and account status. When the option is available on your screen, simply select Add Payment Method to start the setup. You'll now see the payment form. Take your time here and enter each field carefully. Fill in your account holder name exactly as it appears on your bank records. Add your bank name, your account number, and the appropriate bank codes for your country. This might be a routing number, IBAN, IFSC, or SWIFT BIC. If a field doesn't apply to your country, it typically won't be required. Double-check every digit. A single typo can delay payments. If your bank supports specific formats, avoid extra spaces or special characters, and match the capitalization your bank expects if noted. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the form. You may be asked to set this as your primary payment method. Choose this if you want all future payments to go to this bank account. Look for Save or Submit to confirm your details. Let the page finish processing. You should see your bank account listed under Payment Methods once it's added. That's it. By going to your Google AdSense account, selecting Manage Settings, opening Manage Payment Methods, clicking Add Payment Method when it's available, filling the payment form, and entering all required details accurately while following the on-screen prompts, your AdSense funds can be deposited into your bank account. After you complete the setup, keep an eye on your payments page to confirm everything looks correct before your next payout cycle. If anything seems off, return to the same settings area and review your entries. You're all set to receive your earnings securely and on time.